Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra and the title of this video is Scars, Their Significance in Your Journey of Life. Now, on my particular face, I remember three incidences that put scar on my face. The first one was I was a very young child, and one fine day I decided that I wanted to wear slippers of my dad and walk around in the park. I was told not to do it, but I had a fall, and that got a cut here, which was sutured. And when I came back home with my parents, they told me a very beautiful thing. They said, wait, let your feet grow, then you will be able to wear these kind of slippers. These are oversized for you. And it took me many years to realize that we need to grow, right, to handle those responsibilities as a human being. And when I was growing, and then my feet will actually fit in the shoes and fit in the slippers, which were larger sized. But still, till date, I am not able to fit in the shoes, right, which was filled with responsibility, the way my father held till the last day of his life. So the first learning here is that do not try to jump onto things too early. Develop your capacity. The first scar. The second scar, I was playing. I was a teen. I was playing with my friends, and I was in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh at that time. We were playing around, and I had to dodge a ball, and dodging a ball. It had to be passed amongst my friends, and there was a miss by my friend, and he got angry to me, and he actually in the anger pushed me, and I banged the right side of my forehead towards the rim of the headlight of a car, and that got me the second scar. And I didn't understand why one of my friends will do that to me, but then he apologized, and he took me to his dad who sutured it, who was a doctor, and he took care of me, right? And I just realized, right, that there are impulses which we must learn to control, right? And time went by, and these small things, then these grudges were not there, and we became good friends finally. So do not hold on to negativity. This is part and parcel of life. These things happen, and sometimes the intentions are not bad towards you, and you can be harmed, but just trust, right, that everything finally will be good. Third, I was in a dance group, and I was supposed to do a flip where I was supposed to go on the ground, but somehow due to the mistiming, the group which was supposed to hold me could not, and I had a chin banging on the ground, tearing it apart, which was again sutured, right? And we were all scared because this was during the rehearsal 5 days prior to our main role, and we were not very sure we will be able to do this role. And this happens to all of us. We fear that due to one particular failure, will we be able to do this on a bigger stage? But then, when I eventually went on to that group, we were able to do that step, and not me. There were other people who were able to do that better. Three learnings, right? Develop your potential, and then trying to fit onto bigger shoes, bigger responsibilities. There will be paths where there will be some negativity, but eventually feel everything has a reason. As in a video, Amitabh Bachchan ji said, जब हमारे मन का हुआ, right, तो भला, जब हमारे मन का नहीं हुआ तो उससे भी भला, क्योंकि तब वो ऊपर वाले के मन का होता है. So this is what you must remember. So there is something bigger which you always figure out. And the third thing I remember, that you might fail, but one fail or one failure of attempt is not your final destination. You might still be able to perform better on a bigger stage. These scars are actually journey of life, and they just make you remember what you have gone through. That is why you have grown through. Thank you very much.